a substantial notion is available. Lie flat in the nearest ditch.
We're actually under a tornado warning.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: Pierce, Washington.
Oh my God.
The forecast for the...
Can't believe this.
2.2. Likely in the chance. Highs in the 60s. Southeast winds at 10 miles an hour becoming southwest this afternoon. 20 miles an hour after midnight. Stand by. Cloudy. Highs in the upper 50s. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a tornado warning for west central Pierce County and west central Washington. This includes the city of Fort Lewis until 12:30 p.m. At 12:20 p.m., train weather spotters reported a water spout near Anderson Island. It was heading east towards Steilacoom or near Fort Lewis, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The tornado will otherwise remain over mainly rural areas of the indicated county. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your arms. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. for the following county: Pierce, Washington. Friday, windy, rain, highs in the mid-60s to lower 60s. These are the noon observations.
Hello everyone, thank you for watching this upload. You can find a link to my latest upload in the description, as well as links to my Twitter page, Instagram page, and SoundCloud page. Below that you can find links to my latest EAS video, my latest siren video, my latest DJ video, and my latest vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys during the next upload.